Scholars and families, it's Miss Marnin. So this video is for the week of November 23rd for Pod B. So on Monday, you're going to work on proportional relationships still with tables. So here's our overview page. There's this video right here if they need help. So there's no Teams meeting for Pod B today. If they need help, there's a video right here of me completing the entire lesson. This is going to be in Class Notebook, Unit 3, Page 3. So it's right here on the side. They have their class notebook. They can open it in a new tab, sign into OneNote, and then they'll have a blue Open in OneNote Online button. They click it and it will bring them into the class notebook. They're going to click their name, Unit 3, Page 3, and I can show you what it's going to look like. So there's always going to be teacher copies of notes in this content library folder. So Unit 3 and Page 3 looks something like this. So this is what they're going to be filling out. That video goes through the entire lesson. And then if they need help, there is this answer key right in there. So all of my work that I did in the video is on this page. So if they miss something or they want to look at it again, they don't want to go back to the video, they just want to see the notes, it is in the content library. So that's the first thing we're going to do for Monday. The next thing is independent practice 12. So they'll just be able to hit next at the bottom of the page. And it's going to look something like this. So this is just going to be a bunch of questions about unit rate. So dividing something per something. There is a calculator right here. If they need to type anything as a fraction, there's this button. And then this subtraction button also works as a negative, just so we know that. So it's going to be 6 questions, pretty easy and painless. So that's it for Monday. For Tuesday, we're going to be working again in class notebook. So here's the daily overview video if your student needs it. Here's the video lesson right here. So it's Unit 3, Page 4 in class notebook. So it's going to be this page right here. Looks like this, comparing 2 different doggy daycares for my dog, telling me which one's going to be proportional, some notes on constant proportionality, and just like the other ones, there is going to be a key available. So right here is the key. This is what I filled out in the video. So if your student needs to reference my notes at all, they're always in the content library for them to access. When they're done with the notes, they're going to click next to do independent practice 13. And I'll show you what that looks like. So it's all about proportional tables. So is it proportional, filling out the table, all of that good stuff. Again, here's the calculator if they need it, the fraction button to type fractions. And there are 7 questions on this one. The first question is always extra credit. When they're done with independent practice 13, they're done with math and they can relax on their Thanksgiving break.